Alright, so I'm riding my cousin's mule Zeke. And said I had him about 3 years ago. I remember him being super athletic, really being a go anywhere kind of mule through the woods, always eager to please and willing. He's not hard to catch or anything like that either. Gray with some stripes like the donkey stripes on the shoulder. Kind of faded out here in the winter time. I'm assuming they'll come back in the spring to a degree. But like I said, it's been about 3 years since I've been around him. But anyways, I rode him for about 30 minutes in a round pen, no problems. His reverse was kind of stripped out, didn't really remember that. Still real light in the mouth, and moving off real good anyway. So I got on there, no problem saddling or anything like that. So probably been pushing 2 years since he's been rode. Walked right away from the herd. I'm out here riding by myself. Very independent minded. Walks out good. Definitely not lazy or anything. A good quick walk to him. So I just kind of wanted to see what it was about and how much tuning up he was going to need. But I think other than putting a reverse back on him, it seems like he's going to do fine with it. I'm going to go up here by the gun range. I heard some people shooting a little bit up here. I want to circle back around and go over the culvert and go back and jump on another one. So I'm not going to do much of a ride today. I just wanted to get a feel for how he was going to be so I can get my head wrapped around what the process I needed to do on him was. This seems like he's going to be great. He's ready to go for a trail ride right now. Just riding relaxed on a loose rein. It's going to be Zeke. About 14.3 probably, 14.2, 14.3 maybe, top mule. Pretty gray.